FitLab PGH back with a movement tip lifestyle hack to be a good trail steward. Free across the trail, you've got two choices. You can make your own shortcut around, lots of mud, create mud pits because it's not designed for travel, or you can look at it as an adventure, a little bit of parkour. Maggie would like to go over, but we let them go under. I go over. And we're keeping the trail in good condition rather than creating mud pits because we're too lazy to go over or go under. So be a good trail steward. Recognize trails are for everybody. We want them to be here for years. Another movement tip, lifestyle hack from FitLab PGH in the pouring rain.